I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. With the car in park, turn the ignition to accessory or on so the sync system is active. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and make it discoverable. Keep the screen on. On the Ford Titanium screen, go to Phone, then add Device or Bluetooth and choose Start Pairing. You do this first to create the handshake. Without both sides in pairing mode, they won't find each other. Once the menu shows a code or a device name, get ready for the next step. When the car displays a PIN or device name and your phone shows the same code, confirm that they match. Then tap Pair or Accept on both devices. You must grant permissions for contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and text alerts. Allow audio streaming for media. Once paired, choose to enable automatic reconnection so the phone connects next time without manual steps. Make sure the Ford system marks the device Finish by testing. Place a hands-free call and play music to confirm mic, collars, and steering wheel controls work. If anything fails, stop. Remove the phone from the sync paired list and forget the car on your phone, then restart both devices before repeating pairing. This clears stuck profiles and often fixes address book and audio problems. If problems persist, update the sync software and your phone's OS. Once updated, repeat pairing steps and set the device as primary to lock the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.